The art of detachment. Why caring less wins the game. In a world hooked on validation, the one who cares the least holds the reins. This isn't just a mind game, it's a power move perfected by emperors, charmers, and ruthless strategists through the ages. Let's unravel why detachment makes people chase you and how to wield it without uttering a single word. Welcome to the obsession principle, the brutal truth. Scarcity drives desire. Humans crave what slips through their fingers. The second you're too available, your value plummets. But when you step back, when you stop chasing, stop reacting, something shifts. Their minds spiral, filling the void with desperation. This isn't about being cold. It's about mastering control through absence and wielding power through indifference. Machiavelli nailed it. It is better to be feared than loved if you cannot be both. Translation: emotions make you predictable. Detachment makes you untouchable. Detachment as your secret weapon. Stop reacting, stop explaining, stop handing over the keys to your inner world. When you do, they panic, not because you're cruel, but because you've slipped beyond their grasp. True power lies in stepping outside their influence. Here's how the masters play it. Delay responses strategically. Let them wait, let them wonder, never over-explain. Clarity dilutes mystery. Walk away from arguments. Silence speaks louder than shouting. Let your absence roar. It's not ghosting. It's reclaiming your power. Every emotional reaction you give hands them a piece of your control. Detachment takes it back. The catch: authenticity is everything. Here's the deal. Fake detachment reeks of desperation, and they'll sense it a mile away. Real detachment? That's what makes them chase. So build your worth, find your purpose, become the one who can walk away without a backward glance. When you're solid in yourself, your indifference isn't an act, it's a force. Flip the script, be the obsession. Let them stew in your silence. Let them question where they stand. Let your absence ignite their curiosity. When you stop caring, their obsession begins. Final thought. In a game of validation, the one who cares less doesn't just play, they dominate.